When did the Earth begin to form? I have a great way to show this. 455 billion years ago would be compared to one day with 24 hours. Each second is equivalent to 53,000 years. Then about 3 days ago, the Earth was called protoplanetary disk, according to the nebula hypothesis proposed by Emanuel Swedenborg in 1734. A mixture of dust, helium, hydrogen, and plasma. And dust, carbon molecules. Big Bang. The universe began expanding at an extraordinarily fast rate, starting in the first few seconds. About 3 minutes after the Big Bang, primordial nucleosynthesis fusion takes place, forming young, bright stars. These stars went through nuclear fusion, converting hydrogen into helium through a series of fusion chains. When hydrogen ran out, stars began using helium as fuel, creating heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and neon. As fusion continued in the star's inner layers, these elements were further converted into even heavier ones, such as silicon, sulfur, and finally, iron. Back to our simulated time frame. Just over the day left until now. A giant molecular cloud of gas and dust collapses under gravity, spinning into a disk, the solar nebula. At its center, the sun ignites, while the remaining material begins to form planets. The solar system was officially formed. In particular, the home of humanity also takes the first steps in the process of becoming the only planet with life in the solar system. According to our simulated time frame, 1 day ago. Primitive Earth. Within the spinning disk, dust particles collide and stick together, forming planetesimals, tiny planet-like objects. These grow larger through collisions, eventually forming a molten, chaotic proto-Earth. Intense heat from constant impacts, radioactive decay, and gravitational compression keeps the young Earth in a liquid state. "22 hours ago, Earth's differentiation. As the proto-Earth cools, heavier elements like iron and nickel sink towards the center, forming the core. Lighter elements like silicon and aluminum rise, creating the mantle and crust. This differentiation creates the layered structure of Earth that exists today.